What is a smoothie diet? The smoothie diet is an increasingly popular health trend. It is usually made from a mixture of fruits, vegetables, nuts, yogurt, or milk. The most basic smoothie starts with two basic ingredients. One is the basic ingredient, and the other is the liquid ingredient. You can combine various ingredients according to your preferences. Smoothie diet is a healthy eating concept. It is basically a healthy food in a cup. It can also be understood as a nutritious fast food snack or dessert. You can use it to replace certain meals of your day point. These colorful smoothie diets are usually very easy to make. You can use a high-speed blender to make them, and you can add some nutritional supplements. In short, you can quickly enjoy this delicious and healthy smoothie diet. A smoothie diet can not only help you lose weight. It can also help you gain more energy, clearer skin, better sleep, sharper thinking, stable blood sugar, and so on. Want a healthy smoothie diet? Click the link in the description below.